Here in this video, we are going to see the four compressions refrigeration system which are used in vapor compression refrigeration system. So, before starting this video, we need to know the following basics which are used in this four compression system in vapor compression refrigeration system. So let's get started. So first basic is saturated liquid. It is a state of liquid where water is in liquid state. It is called saturated liquid. Then saturated vapor. It is a state of liquid where water is in vapor state. It is called saturated vapor. Here all the water particles are in vapor condition. It is called saturated vapor. Then critical point. The sets of condition under which liquid and its vapor becomes identical. It is called critical point. I repeated, the set of conditions under which a liquid and its vapors becomes identical. It is called critical point. Then subcooled liquid. A liquid existing at a temperature below its normal boiling point. That is, we know that at 100 degrees centigrade water starts in boiling, and below 100 degrees centigrade, that is at normal atmospheric pressure, the water is in subcooled condition. That is, at 20 degrees centigrade, the water is in liquid condition. It is called subcooled condition of water or liquid. Then supercritical fluid. Highly compressed gases which combines the particles of gases and its vapor is in integral manner. It is called supercritical fluid. I am repeat again. Highly compressed gases which combine the properties of gases and its vapor state. It is called supercritical fluid. Then finally we will discuss about the superheated liquid. Superheated liquid is a solvent vapor heated to and beyond its normal boiling point at atmospheric pressure. It is called superheated liquid. So we should know about this basic before know about the four compressions system which are used in vapor compression refrigeration system. So let's get started regarding that four compression system. First, wet compression. Vapor at the entry of the compressor is in wet condition. Here refrigeration vapor contains liquid particle. Here we know that liquid cannot compress. That is, we cannot compress liquid or fluid. It is incompressible condition. So if vapor is in liquid state or wet state, then the bad advantage is or disadvantage is it is possible to break the compressor spare parts, that is rotor or shaft. It is possible to damage. So it is the disadvantage of if we use weight compression system in our refrigeration system. Next, dry compression. Vapor at the entry of the compressor is in dry state. That is, here no liquid particles suspended in vapor. So we know that vapor or air is compressible. We can compress in high pressure. It is no problem due to compressed vapor or air in a compression system. So it is better. It is possible to get better coefficient of performance if we use dry compression system in our refrigeration system. Next, we are discussing superheating. Already we have discussed about superheating condition of fluid. That is superheating liquid is solvent vapor heat to and beyond its normal boiling point at atmospheric pressure. It is called superheated liquid. Vapor at the entry of the compression is superheated condition. That is dry refrigeration vapor at high compression condition. So in this region, the vapor or refrigerant is in dry condition. So it is also better to use superheating compression system to get better coefficient of performance from our refrigeration system. Finally, we will discuss about subcooling compression system. We have discussed about subcooled liquid, that is water at 20 degrees centigrade. The water is in liquid condition. It is called subcooled condition of liquid or water. So liquid refrigerant is cooled beyond the saturated liquid state. Liquid is coming out from the condenser is cooled beyond the superheating liquid state. That is, it is go away from saturated liquid state after condensation. So this four compression system used in vapor compression refrigeration system. In the next video, we will discuss details of the four compression system, and we will know by which system we can get maximum coefficient of performance. So thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.